Hello everyone, uh, this is Nathan. This is my fourth video, and today's video will be about this new site web that is called Flipgrip. And Flipgrip is a site web that is completely different from the other ones that I already showed you. Flipgrip is a site web that helps you to to encourage your children to do expositions about a certain topic uh, through recording themselves in video chat or like in video, like in this kind of format. So it is completely different as Kahoot. It is completely different as Worldwide and Life Worksheets, because those kind of sideways makes your those are sideways to make activities inside your classes, inside your lessons. But in this case, you can use this sideway as a, I don't know, as a reinforcement, as a sideway that could help you to develop the speaking skills on your students. For example, how can we use Flipgrid? Me as a teacher, I got this topic of level 9, unit 6. You already know this. And I got this. I'm gonna be choosing today's topic will be biographies of national and international writers. So you type Flipgrip in Google and it will be the first one that will appear. So you click on that. You got to create an account, or you can access through your Google account. For example, I'm right now studying English teaching, as you know, and this is one of my professors that have been using this kind of site web. I'm gonna take my camera right here. So he have already created some kind of groups where the students can make their own videos about the topics that he will choose about. Now that we now that we chose biographies of writers, of national and international writers, you as a teacher have to create a group. Now here are two options: join a group is for your students, and create a group is for us. Now it asks you about your birthday. Mine is July the 4th, 2001. That's it. Now I gotta set my, I'm gonna put my country, that would be Costa Rica. Costa Rica, it is this one. Next. After I put my my birthday to create the group, it will appear like this. Select your troop. It will be of classrooms, clubs, organization. It gives you the aspects of how could be your group about arts and music, event and educations, gaming, hobbies, etc. But in this case, it will be classrooms. We click on here. So clearly, our age, the age of my children will be around 14 and 18. It will be high school. Now it will be I don't know, English department. Let's just put English. Now here's a link that we could like share to our students to get in the group. Gotta put here biographies. Now this is the copy link that you have to share to your students in order to in order that they could get in their in the group. Now here we have some kind of assignments that it already appears, but if we want to make it in a specific topic, we go in here, we type biographies, uh, international or national writers. Ah, I got a limit, so I will put into biographies of writers. Now I can make questions about the the exposition that they will be doing. They gotta be all. They gotta record themselves. It gets the. It gives the opportunity to. Oh, close. It has many options to them. Ah, this is the limit time that we can set up to the disposition of our children, of our students. 5 minutes post topic. The topic is ready, so it will be biographies of writers. So in here, after you share the join code, that is this one, your students are able to get in and record themselves, and they could choose any biography of writers. They can choose Edgar Allan Poe, Shakespeare, Dickinson, and many others. Uh, and that's it. That's how you can use Flipgrip as an app in your class. Thank you